Hello, Namaskar everyone, and welcome to Housing. My name is Shrutika, and today in this video, we'll be doing a project overview of Aishwaryam Gaurav Chikli, which is located near Gaikwad Vasti, Chikli, Pune, and developed by Aishwaryam Group. And in this video, we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before letting you the details, let me tell you first what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housing. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. With the help of 3D model, Aishwaryam Gaurav Chikli will be constructed on 1.75 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers. Each tower will be having 2 basement plus ground plus 14 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के ऊपर आपको मिल जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल इन कंस्ट्रक्शन. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर ऐश्वर्यम हमारा चिकली पुणे, और ये जो रोड जाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है देहू मोची रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है क्रोमा विद इन 1 किलोमीटर, देहू डी मार्ट विद इन 1.2 किलोमीटर एंड ऑल्सो Chikli PMT bus stand within 2.7 km. And now coming to the amenities part, with the help of 3D model, project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like acupressure pathway, multi-purpose hall, clubhouse, indoor gym, outdoor gym, multi-play court, kids play area, senior scout area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Aishwaryam Gaurav Chikli has 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residences, in which 1 BHK starting from 408 to 436 square feet and 2 BHK starting from 569 to 690 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model. We'll share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Aishwaryam Gaurav Chikli, which is located near Gaikwad Vasti, Chikli, Pune and developed by Aishwaryam Group. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housing on www.housing.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.